I'm going to let my piece talk for itself. I need to put this up, I guess. So yeah, this piece is called W. Life is a constant battle, a mystery we're all trying to tackle. Yet a mass intervention needs to happen, you see. Battles may have been won, or appear to have done so, to gain our trust. But for some of us, the war lives on, because nobody can erase the past. Understand, it's not only men who run this machine, a machine that aims to promote peace, far from the only fact that's contradictory as they try to write women out of history, you see. We've come from being airbrushed at the news, to making the news, when we should really be breaking the news, and therein lies the truth. Even our representatives, who by the way, are men outnumbering women, 4 to 1 in Parliament, the man of mankind, constantly visible to remind, because the balance scale has a consistent uneven drop, where women's identity for the most part is lost. So on that note, I welcome you to the equality illusion, where women's lives constantly witness intrusion and society openly welcomes delusion, all under the radar, hardly in the paper, disguised facts that relapse from the constant talk of abortion rights, rape culture in the spotlight, single young mothers judged at first sight to the celebrity culture that has society deprived, institutionalized everyday sexism, targeted at the everyday woman, mothers, sisters, daughters. You see, we're living in a generation where Photoshop is equivalent to perfection, rather than perfection receiving appreciation and the heart and beauty of imperfection. Now, I'm sure this is more than what you expected, but it's time we realise the truth is progressive because too many young girls and boys are being affected, looking up at role models who model the wrong, objectified and glorified as they continuously lose control. Because society buys into the physical, dismissing the intellectual and ignorant to each and every individual, you see. It seems like all we do is preach change. Yet 100 years have passed since a huge step was made, but the mentality for many still remains the same. So if you've got to be the change we want to see, isn't honesty the best policy in the search for equality? So we need more female positivity to gain this rightful publicity from all the independent, respected, intelligent women, empowering, dedicated, and passionate women, so that despite the odds keep on fighting women. Understand, gender equality can no longer be optional. If we all stand together, women and men, anything is possible.